guys, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. Could be altcoins, it could be meme coins, you name it. In this video we're going to be checking out a meme coin, the Binance Smart Chain Milady meme token. Now there was the Ethereum version, and I know a lot of people can't really, don't really like those gas fees on Ethereum. So there's developers that are constantly active, constantly out there that are building. So they built the Milady meme coin for Binance Smart Chain. That's the one that we're checking out right now, okay? And as always, I think I just hit my mic, but I apologize for that. As always, guys, never invest more than you're willing to lose. None of this is financial advice or investment advice. Crypto is very risky, very volatile, so be careful with your investments. Especially with meme coins, guys, these are just projects you're supposed to throw in just a tad bit of, like, less than 1% of your portfolio. If you have $50 to $100, you want to take a chance on it, on the project, that's what you invest, guys. Limit your risk, okay? Manage your risk. Milady's knew this coin would come. Ladies may not be the meme coin Milady's want, but Ladies is the meme coin Milady's need in these times of unbridled memetic power. You like the art, we make the coin. Ladies not another meme coin. Ladies is a self-organized meme coin. Ladies is the drip currency. Ladies is the points for karma, charm, and beauty. Ladies is the accumulation of clout. Have the how to buy. Remember, this is the Binance Smart Chain version. Liquidity pool and pre-sale was 94%. Okay, they recently just had the pre-sale. I've recently just started to cover pre-sales and dive into that, guys, so I'll be sure to be more on point with getting that out there to you guys. And the ecosystem is 6%. So basically the majority of the tokens for Milady's BSC is 94% is for the community and the pre-sale. That is bullish, okay? These are the tokenomics I like to see, because there's no team that could dump on you guys. There's nothing that could be, the team can't run off. The 94% of the tokens were sent to the liquidity pool. LP tokens were locked and the contract is renounced. The remaining 6% of the supply is being held in a multi-sig wallet, only to be used as tokens for future centralized exchange listings, bridges and liquidity pools. This wallet is easily trackable with BNB domain miladymeme.bnb. And they have their roadmap, guys, community partnerships, formation of token gated Discord, CX listings, Milady merchandise academy, you name it, guys. And right here they have their Twitter and Telegram. So yeah, it recently just launched because the pre-sale just went live. I'm not sure where the pre-sale started at, but I'm sure pre-sale buyers are still in profit, so maybe it'll retrace more until the pre-sale, a lot of the pre-sale people get out and take their profit. But this could be a potential 10x meme coin, guys. You just never know, but I'm bringing it to your attention. If it does do a 10x, I'll be like, hey, see it did a 10x. Now if the project doesn't perform, it fails, well, you manage your risk, right? You managed your risk and you didn't over invest. Right here we have the Twitter. Ladies is appropriate in the tokenization model to facilitate the accumulation of meme capital. 1,400 followers on Twitter. Right here, Ladies top #1 trending on Dex tools. All you need is Ladies, and we see the engagement on Twitter. So we see the pre-sale already 2x. The pre-salers are already 2x up, guys. I'll be more weird to bring that information to you guys from now on. When I see something that looks good, I'll bring it to you guys, and I will bring it through the Patreon that I just started. Whale Chinese, one of the people you definitely gotta follow, talked about the project. BSC Gems, I definitely gotta follow all of these guys. Crypto Ape Gems, top influencers, 50k to 100k followers and up. Pepe Coin on BSC just partnered with Milady's BSC. So yeah, Milady's BSC could be your second chance if you miss Ladies ETH, because Ladies ETH went all the way to $150 million in market cap. So even if this just goes to, let's say, because it's right now it's at 256k in market cap, right? Let's just give it a 10x from here. That's 2.5 million dollars in market cap. That is not like, that is chump change, okay? How many projects are sitting at $2 million in market cap? But it is a meme coin, so it is high risk, okay? So that may not happen, but it does have the probability to happen, okay? So manage your risk, never invest more than you're willing to lose. I like what I see with the project. If you guys want to see this content early, see the pre-sales before they launch, become a Patreon member. The Patreon is for all my 3 free channels: Blockchain Daily, Crypto Gems, Crypto Spaces, and you know, I prefer my Crypto Elite tier. I think this is the best tier for you guys to get. It'll have live streams, more entries for giveaways, YouTube content. You get YouTube pre-sale content first before anyone else, right? And I'll also have a Discord. We'll have a Discord for all of us to communicate and all of us to, you know, find these gems early. And the link to the Patreon, if you just go to any of my YouTube channels, you go to the first link that you see, right? Become a Patreon, then you get access to all this exclusive content, guys. Let's get these gains together and do our best, right? If you hold the Milady meme token, let me get your thoughts down below. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.